Hey, so I wanted to go through some of the features of this Carpenter pencil set that I picked up. The first impression is the case is solid. I mean, it is waterproof, zipper, works perfect. Once you open it up, everything is nice and organized, laid out nicely, and I mean, I'm just impressed with the packaging, first off. All right, but packaging is not what you're using. If you're watching this, a review video on Carpenter pencils, then you're probably pretty particular about what you're looking for. And so far, this kit has basically everything that I would want. So this kind of just start here, kind of on the left to the right. So you have a center punch, very basic center punch. Operate with one hand. There you go. Leaves a little indent just like you would expect. Works perfect. This is a scriber. So if you need to draw a marker or draw a line on something that isn't wood, maybe glass or tile work, you can do it with that, and it engraves very nicely. There's also refill tips over here for that. Moving on, it looks like you also get a number of markers with a 2.0 millimeter tip on them, and these are very quick drying. So I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. So this is a piece of birch that's laminated or pre-finished on both sides. Okay, so which means it's very slick, right? This is like cabinetry type stuff. So 1, 2, no smear, right? Watch, I'll try to smear it. There you go. I don't know if you can see the difference here, but if you wait, let's see, I'll do this in wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Absolutely no smear, and this is very slick. It's almost non-porous, so I like the way that comes across, or that looks. So you've got a couple options there, different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, and the tip of this is pretty skinny. So if you need to scribe a line inside one of your rulers or squares that has the scribing holes in it, that would probably work for you. All right, moving on. It looks like we have 3 regular pencils, 2.0 tip, and then we have some Carpenter pencils. All of these are the same, but they're different colors so that you can change the lead that's inside to a different color, and you remember, you know, this one is for walnut, this one is for pine, this one is for maple, because down here at the bottom of the kit you have graphite or lead refills, probably graphite refills in different colors for different species of material. So these also have a little sharpener in the tip, captive belt clip, and it's not going to fall out on you. And there, that's how you fill it back up. So pretty straightforward there. What else do we have? Looks like some erasers. We got a spirit level. There you go. Spirit level works exactly like it's supposed to. And then another thing that's pretty neat is this pack of refills. Now I'm not going to pull them all out, but I'll pull out an example here. So this is yellow refills. There's 18 of them in here. There's 9 in each little sleeve, so there's 18, and they go for these pencils here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So you're looking at 72 refills in all the different colors. And then over here you have refills for the Carpenter or the mechanical pencils down here. So there's also, let's see, how many is that? 12, 24. So you're looking at 72 also. Same number. So you're looking at 72 refills of different colors. And then over here you have refills of 2.0, which are for probably, well, just different ones for the color, for the mechanical pencils. So guys, there's tons of stuff here. I think that this will take care of most of all of your needs. Chances are, if you need different colors in this, you're doing a different level of woodworking. But all in all, this is a great little package of different products for your shop. So there you go. I hope that review helped you out.